Hello everybody, my name's Steve Conley. I'm the owner of Auto Collision and Repair at 413 North Bedford Street in Georgetown, Delaware. So today I'd like to talk to you about air conditioning. It's going to be warming up pretty soon. The humidity is going to go up and you're going to find out whether your air conditioner is really going to work for you. I would suggest you check it out now so that you're not too far behind the eight ball when everybody else checks theirs out, finds out it doesn't work. What the best thing to do is just turn it on, make sure it's keeping a nice constant coolness that you're looking for. If it gets above 60, 70 degrees, it'd be a good time to check it out. If for some reason it's not working, you can give us a call. We'll schedule your vehicle in and we'll run some tests on it. And what we'll do is we'll check your pressure in your AC. Make sure, even check to see if you have the pressure, then it's working. If it is, maybe you have another issue with your blend doors underneath your dash. Could have a problem with your AC compressor not compressing the Freon, which causes the air to cool. You may have a leak somewhere and all your Freon actually leaked out. So it's a pretty complicated system, and it takes a little. Definitely that takes some know-how to check it out, and we have some great technicians here that can do that for you. So if for some reason you turn it on and it decides not to work, best thing to do is give us a call, make an appointment. And I wanted to tell you that there is a couple different Freons out now. One is the R134, which has been in use for quite a few years now. That's the most common one out there right now. But I want to let you know, with some of the newer cars, they have what they call the YF 1234. Now, we have been servicing these vehicles in the body shop because obviously some of the newer cars that have an accident up front have to have the new Freon put back in them. So we're very experienced at R134, and we're very experienced at YF 1234. So anyway, if you want us to check it out for you, we'd love to. Give us a call, 302-856-7070, and we'll do a thorough inspection for you. Check the system out, check the filters out, check everything that needs to be checked to make sure that your AC system is working the best it can and has you ready to stay cool all winter. All summer. But you do need it in the winter too, because it does help you when you go to hit the defrost. So it's not just a summer system, it's an all year system. So it does help you with the defrosting, keeps your windows from getting cloudy. If they're icy, it helps to melt them too. Believe it or not, it helps summer, winter, both of them. So anyway, thanks a lot for taking the time to listen to me. We really appreciate your business, and give us a call. We'll be glad to take care of it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.